Hello, everyone. I'm Coach Jimmy K with CoachJimmyK.com. Um, through these years that I've been researching and evaluating and selling alternative therapeutic technologies that mostly work with frequencies, okay? It's frequency-based technology. A lot of people come to me because I offer training. In other words, anything that I have researched, tried, tested, and used myself, I always offer training because whenever you purchase something, if you don't know how to use it properly to get optimum results, then it's a waste of money. It's a waste of your time. And generally, it ends up collecting dust out in the garage or in the closet. And so through the years, I have been doing webinars weekly, like 2 to 3 webinars weekly for years and years. And of course, you had to attend these live. You couldn't look at them up in the cloud 24/7. So, a very good friend of mine that's been a client of ours for about 10 years has helped us create Coach Jimmy K University. And it's a work in progress. And I'm going to show you the beginnings of it. So those of you who have purchased from me through the years, you will receive an email with a link to go and register. And that way you'll be able to go and access the archived webinars, also look at for various protocols. And we'll show you in a second how that works. Those of you who purchase devices like the Denas, if you purchased it from Europe or maybe on Amazon and you don't have any training or any support, then you can pay either monthly or you can pay for like a lifetime membership to the university. So I'm going to go ahead and let's go to share screen real quick. All right. So right here is the main landing page of the website of Coach Jimmy K University. So what we do is whenever you land here, you can scroll down and it will tell you about what it's about. Discover the ultimate wellness journey with Coach Jimmy K. Dive into a wealth of knowledge to amplify your wellness product experience. Learn at your own pace from any corner of the globe and unlock personalized assistance whenever you need it. So we have, as far as key concepts, the online training events, protocols, and also you can ask questions. We have other products that we're going to have here, but of course the Denas that we've been carrying for years. The Matrix here is a Skinar device that we've been working on for 4 years. And it is 4 times the machine that the Denas is. We also have the Wave Watch. We have the Red Light Envy. And then we have the Pulsar, which is the new, formerly the Earth Pulse, and then the Sedona and other products. So if you are new and you purchase from somebody else, then what you would do is you would click right here, and then you would have the opportunity to either sign up for a lifetime membership or either a monthly membership. Okay. And so if we were going to sign up for lifetime, we would click here. And then you would go and put your name in, you'd create a password, and then all the information down here. This is all mandatory. And then we will have down here like modules. You can click like the Denas PCM6, the Matrix, and the other ones. And then we will have either pay via wire transfer, which is like an EFT from your checking account, or either Stripe, which is what we use on the Coach Jimmy K website. And so you'd fill that out and you'd submit it, and then you would have access to the university. Now, being that I am already in there, so I'm going to go and click sign in. And then I have what's called RoboForm up here. This remembers all of our passwords for the business. So I'm going to click this to sign in. And then what it does is it has a two-way authentication. Okay, so you can either do it on your phone via text or you can do it via email. I like to do it via email. And so what I'm going to do is it sent me a code. So I'm going to come down here and I'm going to check and it sent me the code right here. So I'm going to copy this and then come back to the page, paste it, and then validate. And so now we're in the back office. So we have a little introduction video here, which I'll play. Hello, everyone. I'm Coach Jimmy K with Coach Jimmy K University. I have been working with frequency-based technologies for going on 16 years now and traveled throughout the world looking for various modes of therapeutic technologies that can help us kind of anti-age or body hack our bodies. And so through those years, what I was doing was every week I would have webinars, training webinars for the clients or members on the various technologies, whether it be like Russian-based scalar technology or PEMF, there's plasma technologies, there's scalar technologies, a lot of different things. But the biggest thing is whenever someone purchases something online, they don't have any support. They don't have any training. You purchase the item and you take it and you try to figure out how to use it. You don't know which frequency does what. You don't know how long to run it. You don't know where to place the device at. And so you end up not getting the proper benefits of the technology. And so through those years of me doing these webinars, we've had them archived. We haven't put them up to a server or to the cloud for access to our worldwide audience. So that's a little welcoming video that we have. And then down here, we have the basics, protocols, webinars, and ask questions. Also, we will have a blog that I'm going to be doing. The blog will be on different topics. So just to show you right here on some protocols, we're going to click and go to the protocol page. And then you will be able to eventually, over here where it has a search bar, you could type in any health issue that you're dealing with, and it will search through the index, okay? So right here, we did, let's say, the Denas therapy for toothaches. So what would happen is we may have a video at the top of this for you, but this one, I just did the slide on it. So right here, it has step 1. Zone instructions. This is a 2 or 3 step process. If there's pain, we choose 200 hertz, and using the inbuilt electrode, we will first moisten the face or area with Signa spray to enhance connectivity and all. And then as we scroll on down, step 2, the second step would be to address the swelling or inflammation of the gums and tissue, and it will give you where to put it at, the intensity level, and what frequency to use. Zone 3 would be to address any infection, okay? And I'll give you the frequency there. And then zone step 4, the fourth and final steps would be to work on the tissue and bone regeneration, okay? So now let's go back up here to protocols, and let's look at the neck and shoulder. So here, we would have a video, a little short 2-minute video showing you where to place it, how to work it. And then down below, you'll have the zone instructions. We're dealing with pain and inflammation in the neck and shoulder area. There are multiple steps. And then the zone, step 2, step 3, you know, and so forth. So this is how you'll be able to get into the back office 24/7, and you'll be able to look up protocols. Okay, so if you have the Denas PCM6, there's thousands of people out there that purchase from Amazon or eBay or one of the other European dealers, and they pretty much got kicked to the curb because I'll tell you from experience, I went over to Russia years ago, 6 or 7 years ago, and spent 30 days training with the Denas medical team there and was certified to be able to teach the end user and also medical doctors and specialists about the technology and how to use the skenar or microcurrent technology. And so this is what we're having. It's the wave of the future for you to be able to have the proper training. We're going to have, like, again, blogs on nutrition, on the things that we're faced with today in society, heavy metal detoxing, the EMFs with the 5G, all these different types of stressors that we deal with and how to address them with the different technologies. And again, it won't be only the Denas, it will be PEMF, the matrix, other technologies that we have. Okay, so I just wanted to share that with you. And let's go here. If we, let's say, go to webinars. And this one right here, it's an unpublished webinar, but we go click here, and then it would have a video at the top. So it would be like an archived video. And then you can go and look at the topics of the webinar. So you can go from webinar to webinar, scroll down and see if this is some topics that you'd be interested in. And, we're really excited about it. We've been promising our clients for years and years about it, wanting to do it. And now we can do it securely and offer you 24/7 access to our training. Okay. So let's go back there. So once again, we're really excited about it. Those of you who have been with us for years, thank you for your patience. Thank you for your kind words of encouragement and your continued support, okay? Because without you, we're no one. I mean, we have our success to thank you for, okay? One at a time, okay? If you take care of your member, your customer, help them get results, then they share with their friends, their neighbors, their family, and that's how we've grown to be worldwide over the years, okay? So thank you for your continued support. Those of you who aren't part of our Coach Jimmy K family, we invite you to join us. You can either do that by purchasing a product on our website, coachjimmyk.com, and then you'll get training on that. Or if you purchase from somebody else, you can go to Coach Jimmy K University and then pay the fee for either lifetime training or either month to month, whichever one fits your budget. All right, so take care, God bless, and we'll see you in the future. Bye-bye.